In this video, we will demonstrate how to install the Von Duprin 22 series rim exit device. After watching this video, you will be able to prep the door and frame using the included paper templates, cut the exit device if necessary, install the device and trim, and test the operation. These are the tools you will need. The 22 series exit device is available with a variety of outside trim options. We will be installing the 22 with a locking lever trim on a hollow metal door. For other device and trim variations, please see the installation instructions. This door has been prepped with the tailpiece through hole. You will need to measure and drill the holes for the exit device and trim. Open the box and remove the trim, cylinder, and screw packs. Carefully remove the exit device and instruction sheet. The instructions contain a diagram labeling all parts. If you are unfamiliar with the names of these parts, you may wish to review this page before continuing. If your door is wood or unreinforced metal, the instructions will specify the proper fasteners to be used at a given step, depending on your trim. Be sure to use only fasteners provided with the exit device. Using any other fasteners will void the UL label of this product. If this is a new construction project, check the hardware schedule to confirm you have the correct exit device for the opening. For your particular opening, other accessories may be needed that will work together with the exit device. Please review the installation instructions for those accessories before continuing. Contact your door hardware supplier for help. Ensure the door swings freely and fits into the frame without binding. There should be a 1/8 inch gap on the top and sides between the door and frame. To help protect the door and frame, apply masking tape to all marking and drilling locations. This door has the tailpiece through hole prepared, which provides the mounting height center line for the device. Position the square exactly halfway over the hole. Then, mark the frame to transfer the center line. If your door has not been prepared with the tailpiece through hole, locate the center line of the strike, 39 and 13/16 inches above the finished floor. Determine the handing of the door. In this video, the door is left-hand reverse. Use the graphic from the instruction sheet for assistance. Use scissors to cut the strike template from the instructions. Be sure to cut on the side that matches your handing and on the correct line. Do not discard the center case template. Tape the strike template to the frame, aligning the center line of the template with the center line on the frame and the edge of the template with the stop. Center punch the 2 slotted holes. Drill the top and bottom holes using the drill bit size according to the template instructions. In this video, we are using a metal frame, so the holes are drilled with a number 25 drill bit and tapped with the 1024 tap. Mount the strike on the frame using the 2 1024 screws. For a wood frame, use the number 10 wood screws. To determine if your exit device needs to be cut, measure the distance on the frame from the soffit on the hinge edge to the soffit on the strike edge. Then, measure the length of the exit device from the center case to the end of the mechanism case. The device must be at least 1.5 inches shorter than the soffit to soffit measurement. If it is not, the device must be cut. Place masking tape over the device where it needs to be cut. Measure and mark the appropriate device length for your door. Using the square, extend the cut line on the tape all the way around the exit device. Carefully cut the device. Ensure the cut is square. Remove any burrs with a file. apply masking tape over the tailpiece through hole to the inside of the door as shown. Then, with the tailpiece through hole as a reference, use the square to mark the vertical and horizontal center lines. Tape the center case template to the inside of the door, aligning the horizontal and vertical center lines on the template with your centerline marks on the tape. Center punch the locations of the 4 mounting screws. Using the square, transfer the horizontal center line from the inside of the door to the outside. To transfer the vertical center line, use the combination square to find the center of the tailpiece through hole. Then, draw the center line above and below the hole as shown. Remove the paper template from the inside of the door and tape to the outside, aligning with the vertical and horizontal center lines as shown. Center punch the 4 hole locations on the outside of the door. Drill the 4 holes on the inside of the door using the drill bit specified on the center case template. In this video, we are using a metal door with outside trim, so the inside holes are drilled with a 1/4 inch drill bit. Do not drill through the door. Drill the 4 holes on the outside of the door using the drill bit specified on the trim instructions. In this video, we are using 230L lever trim, so the holes are drilled with a 3/8 inch drill bit. Do not drill through the door. To prepare the trim for installation, you may need to change the handing. See the instruction sheet for more information. Insert the cylinder into the cylinder collar as shown. Then, install them into the trim. Ensure the cylinder plug is on the bottom and that the cam is oriented vertically. Install the cylinder lock nut and use slip joint pliers or a punch and hammer gently to tighten. Install the tailpiece into the outside trim and secure with the pine tree clip. For doors 2 1/4 inch thick, insert the pine tree clip into the outermost hole of the tailpiece. For doors 1 3/4 inches thick, install the clip in the innermost hole. If your door is a different thickness, contact customer care or your door hardware supplier. Install the tailpiece guide, ensuring the orientation is parallel with your tailpiece. Remove the center case cover from the exit device. Insert the trim on the outside of the door. Then, install the exit device on the inside of the door, aligning the tailpiece guide in the back of the device with the tailpiece of the trim. Install and secure the 4 screws through the center case into the trim. Slide the mechanism case mounting bracket into the exit device and mark the 2 holes. Use a level on the exit device to ensure proper positioning. Drill and tap the holes for the mechanism case mounting bracket. The chart from the installation instructions will guide you to the correct drill bit size depending on your door material. Install the mechanism case bracket and secure with the 2 screws. Slide the mechanism case cover plate into place with the dogging keyhole next to the push bar. Then, install the end cap and secure with the 2 screws. Install the center case cover and secure with the 2 screws. Before fully securing the strike, measure the distance between the roller on the strike and the center case. It should measure 3/16 of an inch. If it does not, the included shim may be used. Center punch in the middle of the remaining hole on the strike. This will be used for the staking plate. Drill the hole in the soffit using the drill bit size according to the device instructions. In this video, we are using a metal frame, so the hole is drilled with a number 25 drill bit and tapped with the 1024 tap. Install the staking plate onto the strike and secure with the screw. From the inside of the door, make sure the latch is fully extended when engaged with the strike. Ensure the dead latching function of the device works by closing the door and confirming the dead latch has been pushed in by the roller. Then, press the latch and ensure it does not retract. If the latch doesn't fully engage, the strike can be moved closer to, or further away from, the door stop. If the door can be opened from the outside, the shim may be used under the strike. If your trim will use a cylinder, ensure that the key locks and unlocks the outside lever. From the outside, make sure the door cannot be pulled open. For assistance, contact customer care at 877-671-7011.